Okay. So we on the porch with a drink, and we got some thunder popping going on. So I'm hoping to catch some lightning for all, because there was just a big old strike a second ago. Scared the crap right out of me. Me and my daughter went to the bar after she got off work at 9 o'clock. Had a couple drinks there and got to spend some time with my bestie, Miss Rebecca Taylor Alvarado. We've been friends since we were 13. She's amazing. Love her to death. Best friend. Has been long time. We call each other sister. Sista. Sister. Not sister. Sister. You know, because we ain't got the same parents. That's why. Yeah, I had a couple drinks at the bar. I'm having a drink right now. Some juice with some Captain Morgan in it. Trying to catch some of these here lightning strikes, but they ain't nothing happening. I missed the whole fucking thing, man. Come out here to do it, to videotape it, but they ain't been two lightning strikes. I almost got in trouble because I went to the bar. He wasn't mad. I think he was just a little annoyed. Whatever. Kind of like when I get annoyed with him, I go, whatever. Come on, where's that lightning? Oh, there was one. Had a nice crack of thunder earlier. Maybe we'll do it again. Ooh, that was a hot one. You hear that? I know my commentary is probably pretty boring, and only those of you that really enjoy being around me will understand, but damn, I'm having a good night. It's a Saturday, and I'm enjoying myself, and that feels good for a change. Had a good evening last evening, went up to the lake, spent some time with some other friends who are fucking amazing. I hear siren. Sounds like they either coming up 3rd Street or Main Street. Here comes the crew. Oh, that was fucking fire. I've only caught like one other bolt. Like they're like few and far between.
Never seen that.
Will you let me light this spot, please?
I'm videoing.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Easy on the swears, okay?
Dang!
I'm sorry, that wasn't a swear. I hope to God you didn't hear her, but whatever.
Welcome to Smiley Vision episode 7.
I said dang.
Tonight's episode is about
The lightning. Sit the fuck down, bro. It's about the lightning, bro. Just sit the fuck down. Oh, well, I was just talking about, you know, going to the bar and having a good time. That was fucking great. Oh, I missed it.
Oh, yeah.
Son of a Hindu bitch. Woo. Talk about a clap of thunder.
Release the Kraken.
All right. Kraken ain't got shit on that snap.
That sounded like a damn grenade.
Kinda hot.
You should have seen it. It was like yellow hot white. It wasn't white, but it was like a yellow color. Like I barely seen it off the side of the video.
Jesus, yo.
Whoa!
Damn. The sounds are not normal. That's not normal.
That's some hot ass lightning, bro. I know y'all saw the flash. I missed it because I wasn't aiming the camera this direction, and I apparently should have been.
And then I was sitting down the whole time I was in front.
Not me. I was up shaking that ass. Right by the table. Hey, when the beat hits my feet, and I swear to God, the bouncer was fucking flirting with me.
He was.
He's thinking, oh, look, there's an old lady over there, and she got groove.
Older women have always been my preference.
He never said nothing to me, though. I mean, we talked about the crazy fish that went flying by and decided to grope me and him at the same time.
Kyle McKay, it was his girlfriend.
Like, I'm standing in line trying to get my first drink, and this bitch comes up behind me and grabs me by the waist. I'm like, whoa, what the hell, bitch? Oh, that was pretty bright. Little thunder popper. Little thunderstorm rolling through. 1 a.m. Crazy shit. I'm sitting on the porch videotaping. Fucking thunderstorm. So what is this?
Fuck, I don't know.
Oh, I got a destroyer is what I got.
I don't give a shit what the
And
hell
it
it's
will goddamn destroy you. Destroyer!
called.
I lost my fucking job last Friday.
Okay, I
What?
still don't understand what
Lost my
happened.
job. Oh.
You
More than okay, so after I got the message from you, I called.
Well, you gotta go to work, you know.
Well, no, the other day, like, fucking the lady from the temp service messaged my phone, and I had to call him at like fucking 5:30 in the morning, and be like, so.
Oh, that was a good one. I caught that one.
Basically, after I got this message from her saying people he said not to go in.
Snap, crackle, and pop, folks.
I just assumed that it was COVID related or something. I assumed it was COVID related.
Here.
So I started calling a whole bunch of motherfuckers from work to see if they got the same message. 2 out of the 3 guys said they did, but only one of them really said. I thought 2 out of 3. Only one of them really did. But anyway, he got told the same shit as me. He got fired for refusing to wear a mask, being extremely disrespectful.
Any picture I've ever
just
seen
not
of you
being a
being
very
at
nice
work, you
guy.
have a mask on.
Well, you know what? I don't wear a mask anywhere I go, and I've only been asked one time about wearing a mask.
Full face mask.
I
There's a
can't
big
wear the
difference, though, between, like,
motherfucker.
being our age and your age and saying, you know, I have a medical condition, I can't wear
It
one.
doesn't matter. Think about it like this. Hey, the HIPAA laws protect me from having to disclose my medical information.
That's exactly right.
So I don't even have to tell you I have a medical problem. Suck my dick. But out of respect, I'll say I have a medical problem.
She
and
said,
then when
"Don't
you ask me
swear,"
what
but
it
he
is,
can-
I'll say, you know, hey,
That's none of their
That's none of
business.
your fucking
They are
You're
not
even
even
going
allowed.
for
Yes, I am.
it. No, you're not.
Yes, I
Oh,
am.
okay. No, yours is different than mine. Even if it's sideways, the little thingy down
No,
there.
no, no. As long as that little red dot over there is blinking,
I
I'm
really
recording.
want to go play in that.
No, there's too much lightning right
I
now.
know. That's why I'm not out there yet.
I'm not afraid to die.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not afraid to die, but I ain't doing it today because I'm a dumbass.
Not
It was
today.
my day.
I ain't playing in no lightning
I'll tell
storm.
you what, though, Terry. If I go out there
I ain't
and
stupid.
and I get hit by lightning, I'm just saying it was my time. I was gonna get hit by a car or
No, 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 bro. No, that's not true, man. That ain't true.
Oh, fuck yeah. Why do you think
You know, in a way,
waiting
you're
on the-
right, but I'm not going to intentionally put myself in a situation where I'm going to possibly increase my chances of dying. Like, you know, I mean, like, if it happens, it happens. There ain't nothing you can do about it, but I'm not going to go out of my way to, you know, I'm not an adrenaline junkie. Maybe that's the problem. I don't need that adrenaline rush.
But I love it.
Ooh. I almost got my face pierced again today.
I'm getting my tongue re-pierced. I'm about to start my tats.
I ain't piercing nothing.
And we're
Now I can go for a new tattoo.
You can do a piece of it.
Ooh, well, oh, that was a bright ass motherfucker.
One artist on each trunk. So because I wanted to look a little different. Like the bottom half of these.
You do know that a lot of artists do a lot of different styles of tattoo work, right?
I'm just fuck.
And I know your ass has been like creeping my Facebook page. So I know the shit that I'm posting on Facebook, you're seeing it.
Creeping.
Ah.
Creeping. Yeah, we know how that goes.
Yeah, when your name pops up in my inbox, I might do a little creeping, yeah.
Okay.
Some of us are a little hard to forget.
When I walk by your house, I might do a little creeping, yeah.
Well, as long as you ain't looking in no windows, we okay.
I'm not taking it that far, but I am checking.
Because that would just
What the
be...
fuck you got over there today,
There's a
bitch?
difference between creeping and being creepy.
No, dead ass though, like, he walks by going like, what motherfucker you got sitting on your porch tonight?
I'll be checking.
He'll be like, excuse me.
I'm trying to fuck around.
Okay, no, never mind.
Whatever.
What's up, Niggy? I just figured I'd stop by. What, you got some supper? It's fucking,
Make the other boy that's sitting on the porch ridiculously uncomfortable.
That guy if I was in that guy's shoes, I'd be eating the tacos and still doing what I was gonna do. The fuck?
Who are we talking about, doofus?
We're not talking about anybody in particular.
No, we're just
Who?
talking.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe you was talking about Dusty, because...
Dusty Hammond? Oh
no, no.
No, not that Dusty.
No, the one that I was telling you about the last time you were here.
The one that fucked me around on some shit,
Yeah,
which I wound up better off in the long run anyway, but...
It's okay, I know Freddie a little bit, but...
What?
I said, you like the druggy
I
motherfucker.
fucking stop it! Once.
Wow.
I know, I shook my head and I'm like, are you fucking serious right now? Like,
Look,
for real?
I'm a fucked up. I do some stupid shit. I admit it.
Oh, here they come.
I don't do it all the time.
Lightning must have struck
And,
something.
I definitely don't do it during the week.
I ain't got my scanner going, so I don't know what's going on, but here they come. Where'd the blunt go? I wasn't done with that.
You're like way bigger than me. Get out of my face. You sit down. He's like, see, now I'm not gonna just.
I was gonna pull my PP out for live video.
Don't do that.
Oh,
It's not live.
That's cool. So
Don't make me have to edit.
Oh, you don't delete it. But make sure you don't delete the clip. Save it as a separate clip.
Dude, I'm trying to catch some fucking lightning. I don't give a shit about none of this other shit going on over here next to me. And then I'm not paying attention to.
I'm gonna scoot open that camera before Sunday.
Oh shit, now here comes the ambulance too. Maybe it's not lightning. Sure is raining pretty damn good though.
The thunder just scared a motherfucker off the road.
Or their car got hit by lightning, you never know, man.
No.
Perils of living downtown, man. Oh, did you catch that? That was fucking great. I got it. I know I got it because I was aiming right that direction.
Well, look, as soon as I seen it, I looked at the camera. It was spot on.
That was fucking fire.
That's fucking mint right there for the
Stupid lightning. I really want to go play around.
Alright, well, we're gonna upload this because some of y'all ain't gonna watch but even a quarter of this video, but kudos to yous out there in YouTube land that actually appreciate my stupid videos. Love ya.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching.
Fuck that.